On November 27, South Korea was hit by a record-breaking snowstorm, blanketing areas like Gyeonggi Province and Seoul with up to 40 cm, about 15.8 inches of snow. While many residents in the city of Yongin were stranded at home due to public transportation shutdowns, one man braved the storm to ski to work. As he swiftly glided past slow-moving cars on a freeway, the man skiing to work quickly went viral on social media platforms like X, drawing amused reactions from onlookers. One observer remarked, "This country is crazy," referencing the well-known stereotype that Koreans will go to work no matter what the circumstances. It turns out the man was no ordinary commuter. Kim Jung-min, a former Olympic skier who represented South Korea, is now a physical education teacher at a high school in Yongin. He explained to SBS News that he had originally planned to take the bus, but decided skiing would be faster given the heavy snow. Despite the challenges, it still took him about an hour and a half to travel the 12K to his school, only to find out it was closed for the day. I'm laughing at the irony, Kim admitted. It's been so long since I skied, it felt like my arms were going to fall off. This viral moment brought to mind similar scenes from the 1990s when South Koreans were seen commuting during extreme flooding. It once again underscored the country's legendary work ethic with the enduring phrase, "Koreans go to work no matter what," echoing in the background.